Have you ever wondered if there's a better brokerage out there for your investing needs? Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between Questrade and TD, two popular choices among Canadian investors. We'll explore everything from fees and commissions to features and customer service to help you determine which platform is the right fit for you. Imagine you're standing at the crossroads of your investing journey. One path leads to Questrade, known for its low-cost offerings and user-friendly interface. The other leads to TD, a well-established financial institution with a wide range of products and services. Which path will you choose? Understanding Questrade. Let's start by taking a closer look at Questrade. This Canadian online brokerage has gained a reputation for its commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs. It offers a variety of investment options, including mutual funds, options, and bonds. Questrade's platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. One of the major advantages of Questrade is its low-cost structure. In addition to commission-free trading, the brokerage also offers low account minimums and no account inactivity fees. This can be a significant advantage for investors who are looking to minimize their costs. Understanding TD. Now, let's turn our attention to TD. As one of Canada's largest banks, TD offers a wide range of financial products and services, including investing. TD's brokerage platform provides access to a vast array of investment options, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and options. While TD may not have the same low-cost structure as Questrade, it offers a number of other advantages. For example, TD customers can benefit from convenient access to other bank products and services, such as checking and savings accounts, mortgages, and credit cards. Additionally, TD's extensive branch network and customer service representatives can be helpful for investors who prefer a more traditional approach to investing. Comparing fees and commissions. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing a brokerage is fees and commissions. As we've already mentioned, Questrade offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs. TD, on the other hand, charges a commission for stock and ETF trades. However, TD may offer discounts on commissions for high-volume traders or customers who maintain a certain account balance. Beyond commissions, it's also important to consider other fees, such as account maintenance fees, inactivity fees, and transfer fees. Both Questrade and TD have similar fee structures in these areas. Features and tools. Both Questrade and TD offer a range of features and tools to help investors manage their portfolios. These include research tools, charting capabilities, and educational resources. However, the specific features and tools available may vary between the two platforms. Questrade's platform is generally considered to be more user-friendly and intuitive, especially for beginners. TD's platform may be more complex, but it offers a wider range of features and tools for experienced investors. Customer service. Customer service is another important factor to consider when choosing a brokerage. Both Questrade and TD have a reputation for providing good customer service. However, the specific level of service may vary depending on your individual needs and preferences. Questrade's customer service is generally considered to be more responsive and efficient, especially for online inquiries. TD may have a more traditional approach to customer service, with a greater emphasis on in-person interactions. Which brokerage is right for you? Ultimately, the best brokerage for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a low-cost, user-friendly platform with commission-free trading, Questrade may be a good option. If you prefer a more traditional approach to investing with access to a wider range of products and services, TD may be a better fit. It's important to carefully consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and budget before making a decision. You may also want to try out both platforms to see which one you prefer. In conclusion, both Questrade and TD are reputable brokerages that offer a variety of investment options. The best choice for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. By carefully considering factors such as fees, features, and customer service, you can choose the brokerage that will help you achieve your investment goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.